ask your friends and your neighbors and the guy down the street and the pizza delivery guy for information on Medicare Part B, because I have clients all the time telling me the wrong information. Medicare Part B, you have to sign up for and you have to pay for it. So Medicare Part B is everything that happens outside of the hospital. So your doctor visits. Unless you're very low income, in which case you're getting a subsidy from your state and there might be paying for all of your Part B. Or you're very high income, in which case you're paying a lot more than the average person. The average American will pay about $150 a month for Medicare Part B. Now, if you're already on Social Security, they will take that automatically out of your Social Security payment. And then every January, like clockwork, that Medicare Part B premium that they're taking will go up in price. Never goes down. So Medicare Part B is automatic if you're already signed up for Social Security early. And a lot of people take Social Security the earliest date they can, which is age 62. If you did take Social Security early, then when you turn 65, they already have you in their system, so they will mail you a card that says, hey, you now have Medicare A and B. Here's your Medicare card. Take it out and put it in your wallet. What you don't realize is if you flip that letter over, it'll say, if you don't want Medicare Part B right now, just return this card to us and we won't charge you for it. And there's many circumstances that you don't want Medicare Part B when you're first eligible. That's why we're here at the Medicare Family to help guide you so you make the right decision about Medicare Part B.